Hawkins here with Chicken Hawk Farmstead, and today we got, I'd call it a review, but some people get upset when you call it a review because I haven't used it that much. So we're going to say more of a unboxing and a checking out of this dewalt 3/8 10mm, the infamous 10mm impact wrench kit. So we're going to check this thing out. This is 12 volt. Keep that in mind. Reason I bring that up, picked this up for $99, which was an awesome deal. I saw it pop up on struggleville.net for $99. It was this, and all I saw was dewalt and a free 5 amp hour battery. Picked it up, and then I realized it's 12 volt. But I'm still not really that disappointed because that's still one amazing deal. So let's take it open it up and see what's inside. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can pop this thing open. And like I said, we'll check it out. Might put it through a couple tests and just see how it does. I'm in the dewalt platform. I'm in the 20 volt. Not really looking to go to the 20 volt. But this was almost too good of a deal not to pick up and check out and see what it's all about. It seems like every tool brand has to have a 20 or whatever, a high voltage and more of a low voltage deal. So, alright, off the bat, didn't even look at the package, but we got a nice little tool bag here. So that's pretty nice. Let's see what's inside the bag. We do have the clip, which this one actually, that's kind of impressive. So when I bought my 20 volt, they didn't have the clip in there. So nice to see they added the clip to this little kit here. And what else do we have? Oh, wow. I hate to say it, I almost used the word cute there. But yeah, we have this little, and I'm going to pull out my 20 volt here in a minute and put these two side by side. Yeah, that, honestly, that feels really good in your hand. Like ergonomical. I think I've got the word correct. That feels good. But remember, this is the 3/8 okay, brushless impact. So kind of wish it was like the, what is it, the Bosch Freak that has both the hammer and where you can insert the 1/4 inch tools and all the drill bits there is. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm not going to lie. This thing feels really nice. Model number is DCF902, if anybody's interested. Let's see what else we got in our kit. So we got the main unit there. We have one 2 amp hour battery. Two 2 amp hour batteries. And the charger. Plus, like I said before, with the bag, it does not include any kind of bits or drivers or sockets or anything like that. It did have a little manual here above. Like I said, I got all this. So I got two 2 amp hour batteries and a 5 amp hour battery with the tool deal. That's a heck of a deal. And like I said, this thing is super nice. So let me go grab my 20 volt, and I'm kind of wanting to do a size comparison, see what it looks like. And like I said, we might try a couple things, or I'm going to see if I can get maybe some lag bolts or something this can put into it. Alright, this is the best I have. Wish I had more, but we got our 2 impact drivers. This is our 20 volt brushless dewalt, and the 12 volt 3/8 impact. This is the 1/4 inch, and I have the 3/8 hammer on there. That's a tack life one. Yep, that's all there's need to know about that. I wish I could find more, but all I have right now is these little guys. We're gonna try to screw them in. This is just some treated, or actually untreated lumber here. We're gonna see how the 12 volt does and how the 20 volt does. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go with the 20 or 12 volt first, and we'll be right back with the 20. All right, here goes our 12 volt self-tapping screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it. Bam, right in. Let's try another one. Not a problem, which I didn't think they would for this little guy. It's not the best test. I'd rather have like a 12-inch or 6-inch lag bolt screwing with it. But I will say, I mean, the feel, the sound, the grip, everything looks good. And I just noticed this. I don't know why. But I kind of really like that there. Look at that. We have... I didn't read the instructions, I'm not going to lie. We're going to do low and high. Huh. And I do like, one thing I do like about this, that little ring light right there. This particular model, we only have the single LED on it. So I do notice right off the bat a lot more light coming off this one. But I'm definitely sticking with my 12 volt or 20 volt because I'm already in the platform. This seems like a nice little one. All right, let's see how this does real quick. And that'll be it for now. All right, 20 volt. All right, well, there we have it. This thing, straight out of the box. Really loving the multiple LEDs over on 20 volt. But, and man, like, weight difference is huge. This is a I think it was a 1.3 amp hour battery on this thing. This is a 2 amp hour battery. And this thing's so much lighter. Really love this thing. But I need something heavier duty. Not necessarily in my impact, but when it comes to my Sawzall, my circular saw, all the other things, you know, and I try to stick with the same battery and everything. Just makes everything a lot better. So I'm not really looking to go to a 12 volt. Ended up in a 12 volt Milwaukee, an accident. Bought the jacket, dirt cheap, don't get me wrong. 20 bucks or 20, 30 bucks for the jacket I think I got. Had to get a new battery. Went ahead and bought, you know, the impact driver 12 volt. Anyways, whole nother story. The story of the day is this thing feels good, looks good, and it's the dewalt. It's not going to do you wrong, I don't think. So, really loving it. And the kit came with 2 batteries, a charger, and because of the deal that I found through Struggleville, I got the 5 amp hour battery. Not mad about it at all. Amazing deal for $100. I don't think, yeah. Don't know how you can go wrong with that. Even without the 5 amp hour battery, the two batteries and a charger, you're going to be going all day. You're not going to be disappointed in this thing. I just don't see it happening. And between the lights and all your choices, so that's it for now. That's my opinion at a first look. I haven't ran it through the ringer, but I think this feels and looks like a great tool. So that's it for now. Have a great one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time. $12 volt self-tapping. Oh, it done fell out. And 2 more. Alright, here goes our 12 volt self-tapping screw, bolt, whatever you can call it. Bam, right in. Let's try another one. See if we can pull them all out. They might be stripped out, I don't know. Out. Yep, not a problem, which I didn't think they would for this little guy. It's not the best test. I'd rather have like a 12-inch or 6-inch lag bolt screwing with it. But I will say, I mean, the feel, the sound, the grip, everything looks good. And I just noticed this, I don't know why. I kind of really like that there. Look at that. We have, I didn't read the instructions, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna do low and high. Huh. And I do like, one thing I do like about this, that little ring light right there. This particular model, we only have the single LED on it. So I do notice right off the bat a lot more light coming off this one. But I'm definitely sticking with my 12 volt or 20 volt. I'm already in the platform. This seems like a nice little one. Alright, let's see how this does real quick. And that'll be it for now.